Hi, have you ever thought about how we could make video game controllers worse? Because I have. Welcome to today's video. The lightsaber is just one big stick. This has one button, and that turns it on and off. And when I move it around, my mouse follows where the lightsaber is. It's kind of like a Wii remote if a Wii remote was absolute garbage. But I can use this to do stuff like look around in certain video games. So that's part of the code done. And ta-da! It's working. Kind of. I can look at the ground, I can look up at the sky, I can look to my right or to my left very, very quickly. It's a start. Almost. I'm just trying to cut the block. I swing my lightsaber repeatedly. Nice. Okay, I need to find I need to find something else to hit. Yeah, let's dig the ground here. Even though it didn't work a second ago. Well, point being, I can swing the lightsaber around, and it will affect the game. Let's move on. The next phase of this is going to be playing an actual Star Wars game with the lightsaber. So the game we're going to be playing instead is Rogue Squadron. And I have a projector set up here. But how am I going to get the input from the lightsaber to the controller? I'm glad you asked. Effectively, what we have here is it's basically a robot that presses a button when it sees the color orange. And this should activate them before I crash into the wall. There we go. Oh, I'm about to hit that wall. I'm about to hit the wall. Oh, nope. Okay. I haven't played this game in a while. I forgot you could actually do that. Oh, right. I need to, turn the blasters off. That's also important. And you just heard the motor release. I am holding the controller in my hand, but that's just because the motor would rip through the duct tape otherwise. It is pressing the button. And again. Oh wait, why did it release earlier? Oh, never mind. This is completely perfect, flawless, no bugs whatsoever. Okay, I took so long making this that I don't even live in the same room anymore. This is my new room. Those are my posters on the wall. Anyway, point being, if you didn't notice all the lines, you can now track your body parts, so I can manipulate the skeleton of the player, as well as the lightsaber, ideally. I haven't gotten to that part yet. And I know what you're probably thinking, which is, why are you still wearing the same clothes? And to that I'm going to answer, washing machines exist. Alright, don't worry. The boring software motion tracking part's gonna be over soon. Alright everyone, in just a moment, you are going to see the first test of this system after I fixed the majority of the bugs. I know there are a couple that will still trigger, but hopefully it worked pretty well. So let's get into it. I mean, it's a little bit jerky, but if you look at it on the screen, it's working. And I think that is pretty awesome, actually. Now, it's not the best system ever. It's got a lot of bugs. I had to write to a file and simulate key presses to get it to actually read the data. Not for a practical reason, just I didn't know how, and I didn't ask anyone. So, there's that. Hey, check out this cool bug I found. If you just wave your hand around, if you can even see the screen. Yeah. And there you have it. It's about 45% accurate most of the time. So, in my eyes, it's perfect for a YouTube video. Thanks for watching.